Hi guys, I'm really excited today because I'm going to be starting some warm weather crops from seed. It is only February, but eggplants and peppers take a long time to germinate, especially if you don't have a heat mat. They can take a couple weeks or so to get started. I won't be starting tomatoes until March because in my house, tomato plants grow a lot faster than pepper plants. The varieties I'm growing are Coral Bell pepper, Shooting Star eggplant, Melrose pepper, Jimmy Nardello pepper, and this is my favorite pepper so far, banana pepper, and Santa Fe Grand. My little seed starting cells are filled up with pre-moistened seed starting mix and they're ready to be planted. I want to show you guys what happens if you don't pre-moisten this stuff. Let's say we already planted our seeds in this little cup. Now I'm just going to water it. And as you can see, the peat moss just kind of floats. Your seeds are going to be swirling around in there everywhere. They might end up in the bottom of the cup, the top of the cup, somewhere in the middle. Who knows? I usually dump this stuff into a bowl and just let it sit and soak in the water for a little while. After it absorbs the water, it's much easier to work with. Here's some that I already pre-moistened, and when you dump the water on, you can see that the mixture absorbs the water much better than it does when it's dry. Alright, now let's get started planting the seeds. In each little cell, I like to plant 2 or 3 seeds, usually 3 when it comes to peppers. Since germination isn't always so great for me, maybe you have a heat mat and you don't need to do that, but I do. After the seeds germinate, then I will thin each cell down to 1 pepper each. If you don't want to thin them out, you can always pull them apart and separate them when you pot them up. Once I get every cell planted, then I take a little popsicle stick or whatever I have on hand, a pen, a pencil, push the pepper seeds down into the soil just a little bit, and then cover them up. Now I'm doing the same thing for the eggplant. I just push them down just a little bit and then cover them up. At this point, you can lightly water them if you want to. My seed starting mix is actually a little overly moist, so I won't be watering these. As you guys can probably see, we're outside now and it's really cold. We had an ice storm last night. I will be bringing the peppers in. They will not be staying out here. Since I don't have a heat mat, I am going to try to find a warm spot for these guys. I will cover the top of the seed cells with some clear plastic wrap. Once they germinate, I'm going to take the plastic wrap off and stick them under my grow lights. Okay guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I want to get inside. Thank you for watching and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.